In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a numbered list on Google Docs if you're organizing steps, outlining ideas, or putting items in a specific order. A numbered list is a simple way to make your document look cleaner and easier to read. Google Docs makes this very quick, and once you know where the tool is, you can use it anytime you need it. To get started, open your Google Doc and place your cursor exactly where you want the numbered list to begin. This is important because the list will start wherever your blinking cursor is positioned. If you're working in a blank section of the document, just click once in that spot. If you're adding a list between existing paragraphs, make sure the cursor is in the correct line before moving on. Next, type the text or item you want to turn into a numbered list. If the text is already written, you can simply highlight it instead. This gives you a little flexibility depending on how you prefer to work. Some people like to write everything first and format it afterward, while others like to apply formatting as they go. Either method works fine in Google Docs. Once your text is ready, go to the toolbar at the top of the screen and click the numbered list button. This icon usually looks like the numbers 1, 2, and 3 with horizontal lines beside them. As soon as you click it, Google Docs will automatically format your selected text as a numbered list. If you only placed your cursor first and haven't typed much yet, clicking the button will start the numbered list format so you can begin entering your items one by one. This is especially useful when the order of your information matters, like instructions, rankings, checklists with sequence, or any process that should be followed step by step. It also helps make your content more professional and easier for readers to scan quickly. And that's it. You've successfully created a numbered list in Google Docs. It's a small feature, but it can make a big difference in how organized your document looks. If you're following along, try it once or twice, so it becomes second nature. After a little practice, you'll be able to add numbered lists in just a few seconds whenever you need them. Thanks for watching.